Digital marketing plays a pivotal role in helping businesses connect with their audiences online. As the digital landscape evolves, it's crucial to understand the different optimization strategies available to maximize online visibility and engagement. Two key methods: audience engagement optimization, AEO, and search engine optimization, SEO, offer distinct approaches to enhancing a website's performance. Let's lay the groundwork for a closer look at how these strategies differ and why each is important in today's marketing world. SEO, or search engine optimization, focuses on boosting a website's visibility within search engine results. This involves understanding how search engines rank content and optimizing various site elements to meet those criteria. By conducting keyword research, refining on-page elements like titles and meta descriptions, improving site structure, and building quality backlinks, businesses can attract more organic traffic. Ensuring fast load times and mobile compatibility also supports higher rankings. These tactics help expand online reach by making websites more accessible to users searching for relevant information. Answer engine optimization, or AEO, takes a different approach by optimizing content for platforms that deliver direct answers to user questions. Rather than focusing solely on keyword rankings, AEO structures information so it can be easily interpreted by AI-driven systems, such as voice assistants and conversational interfaces. This strategy emphasizes clarity and relevance, allowing users to receive immediate, accurate responses. As voice search and AI-powered platforms become more common, AEO is increasingly important for ensuring content is accessible in these new digital environments. Comparing AEO and SEO highlights their distinct roles in digital search. SEO is centered on improving visibility in traditional search engines through keyword targeting and content optimization, while AEO is designed to deliver direct, concise answers for voice assistants and AI platforms. SEO attracts users through broad search terms and organic traffic, whereas AEO focuses on user intent and quick responses. As search habits shift toward conversational queries, AEO adapts to these changes, while SEO continues to refine strategies for web-based discovery. Together, these approaches help connect users with the information they need, each using different methods to achieve that goal. In real-world applications, AEO and SEO often work hand in hand, especially when optimizing content for both search engines and AI-driven assistants. For instance, crafting clear answers to frequently asked questions can enhance both traditional search rankings and voice search visibility. However, AEO may prioritize conversational language and context for voice queries, while SEO focuses on keyword optimization and structured metadata. Businesses targeting smart speaker users might emphasize direct, actionable responses through AEO, whereas those aiming for organic search traffic could invest in comprehensive articles for SEO. These strategic choices shape how effectively information reaches different audience segments across platforms. Deciding whether to prioritize AEO or SEO depends on your business goals and the habits of your target audience. AEO is especially beneficial for capturing voice search traffic and delivering concise answers, often featured in snippets or conversational interfaces. SEO remains vital for attracting organic traffic through detailed content and strong rankings in traditional search results. If your audience prefers quick, authoritative responses via voice assistants, AEO may be the better focus. On the other hand, if users seek in-depth information and browse multiple topics, SEO should take precedence. Striking a balance between both strategies can help you reach a wider range of users and maximize your online impact. As digital marketing continues to evolve, understanding both answer engine optimization and search engine optimization is key to staying ahead. Adapting to changing user behaviors and emerging technologies ensures your content remains visible and relevant. By leveraging the strengths of AEO and SEO, marketers can effectively reach audiences across diverse platforms and anticipate shifts in search trends. Integrating these strategies positions businesses for sustained growth and enables deeper connections with users in an ever-changing online landscape.
If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips every week.